back, viewers, to another repair video on the channel here at Bishop's DIY Auto Repair. Today we're doing something a little different. We are working on the RMK Magnum 500 Polaris. It's got an issue. Let me show you what that issue is. So as you can see, you turn the key, nothing's happening. You got the battery connected, yet nothing's happening. Real quick, before I show you what the possible issue is, make sure you go and hit that subscribe button down below so you never miss another one of my repair videos, and also hit that like button because it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Hey, and if this part doesn't end up fixing this machine, if you know what the possible issues could be, go and make sure you leave it down in the comments and let me know. Alrighty, so after replacing the winch on this, something happened. Ever since doing that, we're not getting any power up here. We checked the fuses, and we're thinking that's gonna be this little solenoid that goes down right over here. So we're gonna go ahead and be replacing that today. Alrighty guys, the first step of course is gonna be to remove the battery and disconnect it. That way we don't risk damaging any components. Stick our screws back in there so that it doesn't, so that way we don't lose the threaded bolts, that threaded nuts. Alright, for this you're going to need a small ratchet, an extension, and a 11mm deep socket. There's two wires down here that hold the electrical connections. We need to go and take those off. Okay, and then we've got this bolt right here we need to go and take off so we can get this wire off. And this is going to be a 9mm socket, deep socket. These wires out of the way. Okay, and then we got a bolt here, another one back over here on the bottom of it. We need to go and remove, and then that'll come out. Okay, then we're going to go and take that out. Then we got the new one, we're going to go and bolt it back up. Okay, next we need to go ahead and reconnect our wires. The one with the black cover over it goes on the bottom. And don't forget your little lock washer when you put the bolt back on. Alright you guys, we ran into a little bit of an issue. Our eyelet on this wire is a little bit too small for the post. But luckily, it came with a new wire. So we're going to go ahead and use this butt connector with the shrink wrap tubing and connect these two wires together and solve that issue. Let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so first off we're going to go ahead and take our wire cutters and strippers. We're going to go ahead and cut off the end of this wire. We're going to go ahead and strip it. There we go. Okay, and we're going to take our other wire and we're going to go ahead and cut this one. We'll go ahead and strip this one. Okay. I'm gonna get that set up. Our wire. And because this is shrink wrap, we're gonna go ahead and shrink wrap it. Okay, then we're going to go and put our battery in, make sure it's oriented correctly. Alrighty guys, moment of truth. Does it work? Does it not? And it does not. Darn it. Yeah. Keys being turned. Ain't starting. Ain't doing nothing. Hey guys, so obviously that solenoid did not fix the issue. If you guys know what it is, go ahead and make sure you leave it down in the comments so that we can hopefully get this fixed. It'd be greatly appreciated. Other than that, before I let you go, make sure you go and hit that subscribe button down below and also hit that like button as well, because it really helps out the YouTube algorithm. Other than that, have a great day and we'll catch you in the next repair.